Welcome to the actual content of this online course. In this video, we'll go through how to get your domain, hosting, how to install WordPress, and open your email account with your domain. This video is less than 10 minutes long and will be moving fast, so stop at any point to follow the steps. If you run into any issues, you'll find the support page at scribe.com/web and there the link to join the Discord server to ask for advice in the chat. Let's get started. Let's start by going to OVH Cloud. By scrolling down, you'll find the domain search bar where you can type in the domain you want for your website and see what extensions are available. On the list, you'll notice that different extensions have different prices, so try to find something that fits and is not too expensive. For this reference website, I'm choosing the inexpensive OVH extension. Once ready, select Buy and continue order. It's a good idea to add the DNS Anycast that speeds up the loading times for all users regardless of their location. Next, we can choose the personal hosting plan, which is an unbeatable offer for any business website and will have enough resources for a long time, even for multiple websites. Now we want to configure the hosting without any pre-installed module, as it will be easier later with more options. For future reference, if you need your website to load even faster, you can add CDN Basic to speed it up. However, now in the early stages, it's not needed. SSL is very important to have on any website, and OVH offers Let's Encrypt SSL for free with the hosting plan, which is great. Moving on, now it's time to create an OVH user account. Simply give your details and click to create an account and follow the instructions. I already have an account, so I'll log in. In the order summary, you should have a similar sum, somewhere between 30 and 100 euros or dollars. Let's go to checkout, select a payment method like Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal. Remember to check to accept the terms and conditions and hit pay. Now the order has been created and we can check how the OVH Cloud control panel looks like. In my orders page, we see the progress. Once the progress bar gets to number 4, we can start installing WordPress. This will take some time, like 30 minutes, so it's great time to get another cup of coffee and read today's news while waiting for the setup to finish. I'm going to use the magic of video editing to jump ahead. So let's go to Web Cloud menu on the left and check out the Web Hosting Plans page. Here you should see one OVH hosting name, so let's go ahead and click that. First page shows us general information. On the multi-site, we see our websites and see that SSL certificates are going to be generated. We don't need to do anything here for now. We are going to install WordPress on the one-click module page, but first we need to set up a database for WordPress. Click Add a Database, which offers the included database that will be more than enough for our website. Next, choose any username and password respecting the requirements of having one capital letter, one number, and so on. And please write these down somewhere because you will need them soon. Creating the database is pretty quick, so now we can go back to one-click modules and hit the Add a Module button. Select WordPress and Installation in Advanced mode. Here we need the database password you just wrote down. This window is for your login details in WordPress. Choose a username, password twice, and select the right domain. That is the domain without the www prefix. Pick a language, I'll be using English, and keep the installation path empty as it is. Great, moving on and confirm. Now, OVH Cloud will install WordPress. And you'll see 2 lines on my screen as I'm doing this course both in English and Finnish. Ongoing task page shows that we are now waiting for the system to create the SSL certificates and install WordPress. While waiting, let's set up email. Go back one step and select emails from the menu and the MX plan. You should see one line and click it. Let's open the email tab and follow the wizard. Click create an email address. Write an address you want to use. Can be your name, or in this case, I'll put info. Description is optional. Then select the size of the email. 5 GB will certainly be enough for a while. And give your password twice. Please write these down as we'll use them in a moment. Next, you can optionally check OVH guides for how to set up your email with email clients like Windows Mail. Change the language to English and check the name of the email server. OVH recommends using IMAP email. This is optional and you'll find the link to the guide from the support page. We'll be using the webmail directly from the browser, so let's wait about 10 minutes for the email setup to finish and then click on the Go to Webmail. On this screen, give your email address and password to log in. The email is now working, so we're done here. Let's go back to our hosting page to see if WordPress is ready. Click on the button at the end of the row and select Access the Modules Administration Interface. Easy peasy, but sometimes it doesn't work. You can simply type in /wp-login.php. And we are ready to log into WordPress. Now, if you had any issues or questions about the steps on this video, check the support page scrive.com/web and join the Discord server to ask questions in the chat. See you in the next video.